Here's how to get 1 year of Gemini Advanced, Google's AI completely free in under 1 minute. Step 1. Turn on your VPN and connect to a US or UK server. Step 2. Open your browser and click the special link in the description. If your location is correct, you'll see a page offering 12 months of free Gemini Advanced. Since I already activated it, I can't show the exact page live, but here's a screenshot so you know what it looks like. Once it's activated, you'll see a colorful glow around your Gmail profile picture, just like it did for me. That means Gemini Advanced is now active on your account. Don't wait, this offer might end soon. Like the video, subscribe, and grab your free Gemini Pro while it's still available.